Okay, Gus, what did you just get in the mail? Did you get this My Little Pony Play School set?
Yeah.
And what are their names?
Pinkie Pie, Apple.
Okay, let's go ahead and open it.
Okay. Oh,
All right.
I call him Fishbee.
Oh, you're gonna call him Fishbee?
Yeah.
Okay, how did you open this little doorway?
Pushing this.
Oh, cool. And where did the little guys go in the school bus? All right, open the door. Put Pinkie Pie in.
Put Pinkie Pie right here, facing this way.
Okay.
Put me right here, facing here.
Oh, cool. And then let's go ahead and get the rest open. Okay, here we go to school today. Let's cross the street. I'm gonna sit in the back, guys.
1, 2, 3. You be the driver?
Okay, you want me to be driver?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be driver, guys.
I'll get back.
All right, you guys get on the bus.
Rainbow Dash. I squished you.
Wait, let's see.
Okay.
1,
And now?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Come on in.
8. Okay. You get August and September confused. What?
All right, is everybody in the bus?
Yeah.
All right, now we can close our sign and shut the door.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Gus, do you like this?
Yeah.
Is it super fun?
57?
I think Mickey likes it too. All right, let's drive the bus to school.
Yeah,
Open the
it's on
sign.
there.
Beep, beep. All right, everybody off. Let's open the door.
58.
Oh, 57?
Dad is 57.
I'm off.
All right, everyone up. I get up first. Toot, 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 toot. What's my name, Gus?
Pinkie Pie.
And look, I have a sunshine.
903.
All right, next
What's
one.
my name?
What's this one's name?
Apple.
Apple. Oops. And what does Apple have? Oh, Mickey dropped that apple.
Mickey.
And she has
Apple.
an apple.
And yeah.
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow
has-
Dash.
She has a rainbow. Let me see. Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah.
We like this. And so on the bus, we've got this little sign that tells everyone to stop, don't drive. And it has a button that allows you to open and close the door.
Oh, this is a lock. Lock it.
Okay, let's lock it. Okay, and if we open it, boop.
It opens.
And then over here, we've got the wheel of stickers, and those are our characters.
Pinkie Pie Lightstorm.
We really
Apples.
like this toy.
When you press, it's locked.
Yeah. And then you can open it.
And no one's in.
No one's in. Time to go to school, guys. Shoot. And now we can open it.
Let's go.
I'm going to sit in the back today.
I'm gonna sit in the back with you.
Okay. I'm going to drive bus, guys.
Okay, Pinkie Pie Apple.
Apple's going to drive.
Yes.
And here we go. Shut this. And we're off to school. Gus, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, how do you rate this?
There's my.
Woo, we like it.